Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this, oh my god, am I blurry? I will be doing my eyeliner and my eyebrows, as you can tell from the title. If you want to keep watching, this is just how I do my eyeliner and my eyebrows. So if you do them a different way, good for you. And yeah, if you would like to see how I do my eyeliner and eyebrows, just keep on watching. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to be adding concealer onto my eyebrow to block it out, and then I'm going to be blending it with a regular brush, and then I'm going to go in with a spoolie and then just brush my eyebrow hairs upward. And then after that, I'm going to be going in with this angled brush with Anastasia Ebony Dip Brow, and then I'm gonna take a paper towel and just make the brush kind of more pointy, and I'm gonna take that powder that you just seen and use it on my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna take the product and push it upwards. I use this powder because I really like this powder, I guess, I don't know. And then I'm gonna just take this spoolie and brush my hairs down, and then I'm gonna do basically the same thing I did on the bottom, is just take the product and push it downward. Then I'm going to go in with this Anastasia Brow Definer in Ebony and just fill in my eyebrow. Well, I don't fill it in all the way. I fill it in to maybe not even half, but then I'm gonna take the spoolie and then just blend out the front and blend out the brow all together. And then I'm gonna take this concealer brush with Tarte Shape Tape and then just conceal my lower brow line. And then blend it out with a angled brush, you can see there. And then I'm going to be taking this smaller brush. I got it from like a paint kit thing, and I like it. It works really well. But I'm just going to take a dark foundation shade or a dark concealer and outline my eyebrow and blend it out. So I just got done finishing my face. Just gonna zoom in and do my eyeliner. Okay, so now that I got you guys zoomed in to do my eyeliner, don't worry about my eyebrows, they look crazy right now. I'm not finished with them. But the eyeliner that I'm going to be using in this video as of right now, I am using this Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof eyeliner. And then the other eyeliner that I used all the time. Sorry, I'm gibbering. But it's this Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper Black. I've been using this for like 2 or 3 years since high school. I always stay by that one. Another one that I use is this Inglot gel liner. It's all ugly inside because it's been used. I do like using this one. It stays really good. It doesn't move. It's really difficult to take off. But I mean, you're gonna have to work with it really fast because it dries really quickly, so you don't have a lot of time to like sit and play with it on your eye. I think that's basically all the eyeliner. I did try out this NYX. I don't really like it. It kind of bleeds a lot on my eye. I don't know if you guys, it's not really showing it, but it really, I don't know if mine's just broken, but it really pumps out a lot of ink, so I really don't like using that one a lot. But yeah, this is probably like, if I had to recommend an eyeliner, it's probably this one, the Kat Von D in Trooper. And I like using the not the felt tip but the brush tip. I really like that one, but it's all your personal preference. But anyway, I'm gonna quit talking and I'm gonna get into doing my eyeliner. Okay, so to get started on my eyeliner, I'm just gonna do the line. And then I flick it out. And then I go in with my brush this way and get as close to the tip right here and then drag it onto my lid. Just like that. It's not perfect. I mean, you're gonna have to fill in some spots. But I'm gonna go in, and as you can see, it's not like absolutely straight across, so I'm just gonna go in and fix that. And then I'm gonna go and fill it in, and then I'll move on from there. Okay, so this is how I do my liner. Obviously, this is not how everybody likes to do their eyeliner. I do change my eyeliner up based on like what eyeshadow look I'm doing. Like if I really want the eyeshadow to show, I won't do it so thick. And yeah, like this is how I do my eyeliner. I'm gonna do the other side and add lashes, and I'll be right back to finish. But continuing forth this tutorial, I'm gonna finish up my eyebrows. I always do this at the end because the powder gets everywhere, and then if I put it in the beginning, the powder is just gonna get stuck to the product that I put on, and then it's gonna make it look gunky and then thick and just not what you want. Okay, so first I'm just gonna go through them with a spoolie to make sure any excess powder is off. Not too hard, just light, just to brush them through. Like that. And then I like going in with this 3D brow tones. It's from Benefit, which looks like that. Basically it's just like highlighting your eyebrow hairs, but I only use this at the ends of my eyebrows because sometimes I tend to do them a little bit too dark. Then I'm gonna go in with this 24-hour brow setter. It looks like it's like a little comb, but I just do this at the front of my hairs. And that's my brow right there. And then before I am finished, I'm going to highlight my brow bone. I'm going into this Laura Geller Life Glows On Illuminator palette, and I'm using this middle highlighter, French Fizz. And I'm taking this Morphe flat brush, and I'm just adding product into my brush, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone. That should be the completed look. Obviously, if you don't have all these products, you don't have to buy all these products to do your eyebrows. A good alternative to brow gel is just clear mascara. That's what I used to use before I started getting into my eyebrows. Anyway, this is gonna be the end of my video. I hope you guys liked watching me do how I do my eyebrows and my eyeliner. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys were entertained. But yeah, like this video, share. It's always nice to share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'm really awkward right now, so I'll see you guys in my next video.